Hi, it's Tom Garrity with Compass Point, where we specialize in family businesses, and welcome to Conversation at Family Biz Matters. Fair does not mean equal. Fair does not mean equal. It's one of the biggest problems I find in family business governance, where generally parents are trying to be fair to the children, and they think that means being equal. And it generally causes all sorts of problems, lots of disharmony, the very thing they were trying to avoid in the first place. Lots of confusion, lots of problems. Let me give you a couple of examples and what to do instead of this. Often I'll see parents pay the kids all the same rate, irregardless of what job they have. Never do that. When you establish a position, if you have good governance, you establish a position, you have a salary band for it, and people apply for it, including family members. If they're competent, if they're qualified, they win out over all the candidates, they're hired. And then they're paid within that salary band. If you want to pay family members additional monies outside of the comp program that you have for your company, then do that with distributions. But don't do it with this concept of we're going to pay all the kids the same amount so they don't fight, so there's no disharmony. It will create problems because not all jobs are equal, not all effort is equal, not all performance is equal. Don't do that. Do not pay your kids the same rate. Pay it to the job, pay it to the experience, pay it to the performance, and you're going to have a lot better luck, just like you do every other job in your business. The second thing I see is in estate planning, where the parents make out their will and their estate, and they say, let's say they have 4 children. We're going to divide the business among the 4 children, each get 25% an equal amount. But only one of them works in the business. So that means the one working his tail off or her tail off, doing all the work, suddenly has 3 uninvited, probably unwanted partners who know generally nothing about the business. It is just a recipe for disaster. And I can tell you most of those businesses don't survive that kind of transaction that happens. Don't do that. You want to be fair with your kids around the business and the rest of your estate. What's the value of the business? That child is going to get that value. The other children are going to get the equal amount of value out of your estate first, out of the liquidity of the estate. And if there's anything left over, put that all into a bucket and divide it by 4. Fair does not mean equal. Don't do that in your family business. Think through the unintended consequences when you're trying to be fair. Get advisors involved with you that can help you think through what the ramifications down the road may be from your concept of being fair and equal. Fair does not mean equal. Don't do that in your family business. If you like what you heard, check out our website, compasspt.com. Lots of blogs, videos, tools will help you run your family business better. Thanks for joining. Bye.